Unboxing your Maestosa. It couldn't be easier to get your Maestosa ready for its first use. Take out the welcome pack, which contains all the accessories for your machine, and give your coffee moment a special start. In the welcome pack you will find a welcome letter from De'Longhi, latte crema milk container, mix carafe, including aero stirrer and choco stirrer, ice cube trays, hot water spout, descaler, water filter, microfiber cloth, cleaning brushes.